Hey, it's here. It's here. There's one here. Oh, look at that. It's even got some snow on it yet. Just drove it in about an hour and a half ago, 2 hours ago, I guess. And so we got one. We got a Ponsse that we're going to work on. Just going to make it a short video. This is, I don't know, 2000. Oh, this is a factory refurbished machine. So if you look at it, it's really, really nice. I believe it's a 05, but don't quote me on that. Don't quote me on anything. I just talk out my rear end sometimes. Yeah, it just came in. It's got a few issues, and I've been called upon for my, well, let's just say, I'll fill you in when we get there. But we got one. Hey, hooray. We cleaned the shop the last day or so. I got a bunch of machines out. Still doing a little organizing. And this will be the first step. I'm just bringing you along. We got one in the shop. So we'll make a series out of it. Okay. See you later. See you next week when we get started on this thing. It is Friday afternoon after all, and I gotta go out in the woods tomorrow and weld on a guy's harvester Saturday morning. But hey, that's what we do. So okay, talk to you soon.